Good morning, good night, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you guys are seeing this video. Welcome to another vlog, guys. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Dems and welcome to the Andersons family. Please, before you leave, remember to subscribe, hit that like button and drop a comment. It's now 6 o'clock in the evening and we are going to watch this Bob Marley One Love movie, and we're gonna give you guys our honest feedback afterwards. Now, we've been seeing a lot of reviews about it, some good, some bad, we don't know, but we're just gonna go and take it in for ourselves, right? We're really excited for this one, so come along, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog. Guys, tell me something. Am I the only husband who have to wait extended period of time for the wife to get ready? Imagine this. Nats was home the entire day. I went to work today and I told Nats that, hey, we have already decided that we're gonna go and watch the movie. The movie starts at 7, right? Look at the time. 6:35. I've been ready like probably 15 minutes now and Nats is still not ready. And then if I get upset, you're gonna hear something miserable and all these things. Wives, do better, man. In what's up, why my video?
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they.
So I think all these people are here to see the Bob Marley movie? Definitely not. We used to go into Cineplex and I just 3-person email. For the 7 o'clock movie, yeah. Sometimes. Or rarely. Depends on what's showing. Yeah, it depends on what's showing. Sometimes. Yeah, but the ticket line alone. Yeah, it's your ticket price. Oh, that's well. Yeah. That's what it is. Perfect. See you guys. No. That's all the grades available. Where do you guys want to stay? I don't want to be too close. That's good. Yeah. No, I buy a ticket before.
I normally get a ticket because it's in the one.
Thank you. It's crazy how busy it is on a Tuesday night. small popcorn.
2 small?
2 pop, fountain pop.
What size?
Small. Sorry. Medium.
Medium?
And a room temperature water.
Yep.
And I'll take nachos and 1 hot dog.
Nachos and 1 hot dog. Do you want them separately or together? Because together is a combo and you can get a drink with that.
Yeah, let's take it together.
Together?
No, not all. You don't want to
Might
separate?
not have, just pasta.
If it's gonna be a while, just forget it. That's okay, let's forget it.
Just the nachos?
Yeah,
2 cheeses?
yeah.
That's right down
Pick it up on our way.
No, today's not my day either. I keep hurting myself. I'm joking.
So, just coming out the Bob Marley One Love movie. Honest reaction. Honest reaction. What do you think about the movie?
The first part of it, it was flat. My honest opinion, it was flat. It wasn't showcasing anything that was interesting to me. I thought they would have shown something from when he was younger. You know, the journey from Sentan to Trenchtown and what he went through in Trenchtown, and then, you know, then going into the music. And even show a little about the love, the woman in his life, and all of that. I understand where the point of view that they're coming from with Rita and the importance of Rita in his life and how he held him down for every aspect. I understand, I love that part, but they could have put it on a movie.
Okay, so a scale of 1 to 10, which way you rate it?
For me, at 8.
At 8? Alright. Rochelle,
Yes,
what do you think about the movie?
I love it. It's just that I want some more. You know, I wanted to see more. It was full of emotions, though. Sometimes I feel like crying, you know. And then there are times when, all right, throughout the movie, I'm beaming with pride to know that I come from Jamaica and I'm in another country. Deep Alberta, Canada representing, and me just feel good. So me a Jamaican, I'm there, even though you know I'm like a boring. Because I know more vibes than if I was watching from Jamaica. I'd be more vibes. But overall, I like it. I just wish that they had put some more into it, especially at the end.
Yeah.
You know, even at the One Love concert, I think it was important to not just show clippings of him with the 2 political leaders, but the message that was said behind that scene and what he said on stage. And even some more after that. Even some more after that. But overall, I love it.
So a grade of 1 to 10?
I'll give it an 8 also.
8 also?
Yes.
Okay. So what do I think? First and foremost, I want to big up Ziggy for putting together this movie, because I think it symbolized the importance of Bob Marley. And being in Grand Prairie, being sitting in a theater almost full of people watching a Bob Marley movie is really like a epitome of where Bob Marley stands in the grand scheme of things. Hi.
How you doing?
Not bad, are you?
I got work tomorrow. Got work Friday again. Okay.
Where was I? Yeah. It kind of shows where Bob Marley stands in the world. To be sitting in Grand Prairie in a theater full of people who don't even understand patois, sitting watching the movie. Now, my first question is, why Bob Marley over 6 feet? We couldn't understand that because he was vividly too tall for the role. But all in all, I think he did a great job for somebody who's a British nationality, British actor. He kind of have the patois lack. Yeah, I couldn't understand why they chose such a tall actor. And not only tall, but like thick. Like Bob Marley was a very skinny, slim, short Rastaman. This was a tall, thick Rastaman. So I think from a visual perspective, it was kind of like a mismatch for the role. But in terms of how he nailed down the character and the accent, I think that was perfectly done. Now there are parts in between where like Rita Marley was like you can hear the British accent coming out, but I think she also did a great job. Now, from a movie perspective, it was a very good watch. I'm not gonna lie, it was a very, very good watch. Now, knowing the story of Bob Marley didn't capture all of the story of Bob Marley that we wanted, but as a movie by itself, if you're gonna judge it by itself, I think it was a very good watch, and I felt very patriotic watching the movie to the point that I'm feeling like I don't want to rest. But anyways, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it I'd probably give it an 8.5 out of 10 because one, it symbolized the life of Bob Marley in some sense, and it kind of like showcased Jamaica further to the world. And as a Jamaican, I think this was a very good movie. And life is not perfect, so the movie is not going to be perfect, but it was a very good watch. So that's what I would say.
And then even probably sure in death and in burial
Yeah,
and stuff.
but I guess probably they were also working with a budget, but not only a budget.
But you know our problem, we know too much about him.
Yeah.
So we want to see everything on film.
Yeah.
And you know, so that's for sure something gave man some little confrontation.
Oh, Cindy get a but yeah, man, I'm watching something else. I think them couldn't give Muta a bigger role still. Honestly, I think Muta could get a bigger role. Oh no, bigger and serious. They have Muta as a little. I'm not spoil the movie for you. I'm not gonna even tell you guys what Muta did, but they could have given Muta a bigger role. I think so. Agree?
And you make sure say you only have
Rita got chill out
outside
in Jamaica.
picnic and she have your raise
No,
them
but
and
if
stuff.
they're saying that them now talk about it like certain part wasn't in there, them never see graphics, but they mention
You
it.
mentioned.
Yeah.
Even the scene with the girls, the man they must say, he must be busy gallivanting. And then,
No, he's not feeling well.
yeah.
Too much gallivanting.
Yeah, and then Rita confrontation.
Yeah.
So they talk about him enough, man. And the kids them, but
I love the movie.
they love it too.
I like the movie. It's a very good movie, but there could have been a little bit more. Could be a little bit more. And we still think Sheldon Shepherd could have been Bob Marley. I know he got a lot of role in it.
Other persons would have been.
I know he got a lot of role in it, but I think Sheldon Shepherd doing him what do you call it, in versatility, I think it would be a very good fit.
You
And the
know,
short scene and him.
Me not really find a problem with Ben. When name Ben?
Yes sir, brother Tal. Brother like a basketball player, man. In Tal, man.
But like, okay,
No, the acting good.
the acting good. It's just the only thing is, I know Rob and the part was there, you know, because is because we're Jamaican why we know the difference.
Yeah.
That's it.
The part was good.
But
The part was good.
the
I just
little
the
height
height.
can go on, man.
I know the whole body structure and
Like
it's
you don't
vividly
want.
obvious,
You
man.
know, must get it 100%. The little part it can go on.
It's vividly obvious, man.
Alright, well.
Me think
But you know what I like more? The facts say how them tell the story, like some little flashback of him life.
yeah.
I think that part of it was, should I say, creative. Me like
Bits
it.
and pieces.
Yeah, me like it because them couldn't just tell the story so from start to
And I think
finish.
just because we wanted more. The movie was so good, we wanted
Listen.
more.
We know so much about him,
Yeah.
so we expected
You,
more.
you see, I've been a Bob Marley fan from a long time. I read up everything about him,
Mhm.
online kids, them and them stuff there.
Yeah.
But him, when I was doing school, you know, one
Yeah.
semester, I read so the school time I read up about Bob Marley.
Yeah.
and at that point, I wanted to know more, and I was thinking, I can't believe they don't have a movie of this man.
Yeah.
So you see why I did well want to watch a movie?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm like, yo, me can't believe they didn't have a movie.
And which is why I forgive
Mm.
his son props. And a lot of person I bash him and I say, oh, this and that. But ultimately speaking,
Generally did good.
that Bob Marley died in 1981. We're now in 2024. How much years is that? That's almost over 40 odd years now. So with that being said, a man so important that it should be a national monument, to the point that the government should have done something to showcase the life of Bob Marley before even all of this.
No, but you know why them are, and I believe now is the time for the movie, because you have to keep his legacy going on and on. So if they had done the movie 20 years
What
before,
what would they have done now?
They could have look how much movie remake.
No.
remake, then they can remake it the next 10-20 years down the line. I mean,
Remember, you know, they must show a lot of parts.
yes, so they can keep it. So probably next time you might have another story about Bob Marley, because you have more than one Titanic, don't?
Exactly.
Yeah.
But
so,
there's only one Titanic. There's
Yeah.
more than one Titanic, but there's only one Titanic.
one that is the one, I know.
Yeah.
But it can be told from different.
That's dark. Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
It can be his story can be told from different perspectives.
Yeah.
So-
Because the black off down there, so.
Yeah, because right now the story I come from him and Rita, you know, coming up, him come from country with his mother and him
Yeah.
and Rita and the whole journey and whatever.
Yeah, I can see Rita's son right to move him. Because him highlight his mother a lot in
So
his
what Cindy want tell
Which
Fiona
other
about?
aspect? Which other aspect from about right?
The truth.
What is the truth?
No,
I mean, mother perspective.
based on what I know or what I've read, me not know like
Welcome
another
to Grand Prairie, Alberta. You're 2 season, winter and construction season. As a snow drop.
Construction of the start.
Yeah, see. If I say orange cone drop, you
That
know,
means the winter go down.
not necessarily.
Just in the room.
No, but
So
based
one of
on
them
what
is so
I've
close.
read, me not see them tell no lie in the movie. Them just probably certain partner was not included.
And he's telling it for the point of my mother.
My mother.
Yeah, of your mother.
And what him
And
recall.
when you can recall or whatever people
I
around you.
like the movie so much that it makes me feel proud to be Jamaican.
She don't know right now. I say, me just show up.
Should I carry
in
Jamaica
19th.
flag? Should I carry Jamaica flag?
Hey, me didn't want to make one little rasta here, you know. Hey, actually, don't know me feel show up in the movie theater, you know. So you know what we did there? We were at the front. Nobody never there in front, you know.
Yeah.
And you just see me just sing out the song so we make everybody know.
So me know this like.
Yeah, Jamaican.
We know this song, man.
Oh Lord. Feel so poor, like yo, Jamaican know me know Bob.
You know the best part of the movie?
And if me did the rest,
When-
here, you know.
When Bob Marley in England, I'm a jag and you see two Ghanaians and Bumbo clad. Like what kind of cross is this? I follow it.
And that.
I loved it. I think the guy did a very good job. He can't change him in physique, he can't change him appearance. What he can change is in delivery of the script and the accent and the
Yeah, but as I said, it's because we're Jamaican, like we know say. But
Guys, go and watch the movie.
Alright.
Go and watch the movie, guys. Very good watch. I loved it 100%. There are parts of the story that is not shown, probably in terms of probably time constraints, and probably we don't know. Probably we don't know. But
They just want more.
Yeah.
We wanted more.
We want more. That's it. We
wanted more. But it's a very good watch. And
the part two.
every Jamaican, especially Jamaican living in the diaspora, overseas, living a foreign, you know, go and go watch a movie. Because here I go on, Bob Marley in this movie represented Jamaica. Yo, like,
You should be
Yo.
a national hero.
yo, it's like the replication of Bob Marley in just a movie show how much this guy did for the culture, how much this guy did for the country. So as a Jamaican, we should definitely go and go support the movie. But this movie be the highest selling movie in the box office out there. Make this be the #1 movie in a theater. Make this be the movie.
And stay there.
I stay there, you understand? Make this be the breakthrough of the Jamaican film culture, of the Jamaican film industry. Make this be the breakthrough. Because let me tell you, there's no caption on the screen, and a big patwa, and you have everybody still in that theater and watch it same way.
They don't have a Marcus Garvey movie?
I don't think so.
You know what? It hits different when you're in another country. And I'm not thinking a New York, a Florida, a Toronto. When you're in a deep rural...
What kind of deep rural?
When you're in a one little city in Alberta where predominantly white people.
Yeah.
And like 90% of white people in the movie theater.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Few black people.
And few black people, and you watch it, you feel good. So you have a different sense of
man,
pride.
and you're not only black, but you're Jamaican.
Yeah.
Right? So it's not other black people either, but they're African. But as a Jamaican in there watching that movie, it make you feel very patriotic. But not like,
Yeah.
I feel very patriotic watching the movie. You see me? Anyways, guys, so I got left it right there, so.
Although I know if me did in a Jamaica, it'd be fun. It'd be more fun. It'd be more
I don't think it would be
vibesy.
more fun. I think there would be more critic.
No, in terms of me here say, yo, them in a theater when they say, everybody say Rastafari. And you know, yeah, that the vibes, yeah, they're not carried, that the vibes the men but it is
It was good. It was a good watch. It was a good watch. I liked it. And as I was wrapping up, guys, be sure to subscribe. Shout out to all the persons who came up to us and say, hey, we recognize you guys. Thank you guys. It'll make you feel important. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, guys. Smash a like. Smash a like. Go and watch the movie and drop a comment if you already watched the movie. What do you think about it? Let us hear your thoughts in the comment section, alright? See you guys in the next video. Peace.